another productive weekend in the shop. It feels so good to just be getting out here on a normal basis again. It's been a long time. It's been a real long time. So we're making a deep fullering tool. This will be for the axe making process. You guys will see what this is for as we go along. It'll become pretty evident once we forge the next axe out. Yeah, we've been giving the power hacksaw a run for its money. Been giving the forge a run for its money. The forge press, we haven't even come close to maxing that thing out. We've got the leg vices moved. We're making progress, steady progress. I've got the welder moved in here now where it should be, seeing as how this is the metalworking shop and this is where I'm going to need it the most. I'm happy. I'm excited. A little tired, but excited. We're making really good progress. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.